storms roll through. You need a crew that knows what to do. Cut it clean, keep it green, make it look brand new. We're the team you can count on start to view. Welcome to Livingston's Lawn and Tree, your trusted pros with the skills you need. From trimming tall pines to grinding that stump, we'll lift it, fix it, clean it up, yeah! Livingston's Lawn and Tree, where your yard looks how it's meant to be. Tree care done right, safe, strong, and clean. That's Livingston's Lawn and Tree.